Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to open a Ria Money Transfer account in just a few easy steps. Whether you're using your phone or computer, this guide is perfect for beginners. Let's get started! Step 1. First, visit riamoneytransfer.com or download the Ria Money Transfer app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Once you open the app or website, click Sign Up or Create Account on the homepage. Step 3. Enter your full name, valid email address, and a secure password. You may also be asked to verify your mobile number. Step 4. Next, fill in your current address. Depending on your country, RIA may ask for additional ID verification, like a government-issued ID or passport. Step 5. Review the terms and privacy policy, then hit Create Account or Register. You're now ready to start sending money. Bonus tip: you can also save your recipient's info in your account for faster future transfers. And remember, RIA often offers promo codes for first-time users, so keep an eye out. And that's how easy it is to open a Ria Money Transfer account. If this video helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more step-by-step tutorials. See you next time!